Hi, I'm Zoe Amma, and in this video I want to share with you some easy ways to build the AI confidence of your team. And that can be as simple as growing your skills and learning together. Now, I've recently been running a charity AI leadership accelerator program in partnership with Microsoft, and I learned so much from the 50 small charity leaders that I worked with there about how to build the confidence of their teams, their staff, and their volunteers in order to take their next steps forward with AI. Now, this was really essential, particularly for small charities. You're unlikely to have a big budget to invest in lots of tools. Moving forward with AI is going to be really dependent on building the skills and the confidence of the amazing people around you. And I've got 4 tried and tested techniques that we know from the programme have worked that can help you and also help your colleagues as well. Now, the first thing to say is that no one is expecting you to be an AI expert. The number one thing you can do, the first thing that you should do, in fact, is to model curious leadership. And what I mean by that is to show that you're learning as well. One of the best examples I saw of this was a small charity leader who, not long after ChatGPT came out, emailed their team and said to them, look, it feels like this is something we might want to explore a bit further. I want you to know that I'm learning about this as well, and it would be really great if we could learn about this together. And then this CEO provided some guidance on what their staff and their volunteers should be doing in terms of keeping data safe and also some things they might want to think about as well. So starting by showing that you're learning about this as well is going to be really powerful in giving your staff and your volunteers permission to begin to try these tools out with the right guardrails around them. On that note, you want to create some safe spaces to experiment. And what I mean by that is that you could have some regular lunchtime meetups, or you can create some space perhaps within the work that you do, maybe to try out what are 1 or 2 ways in which we can use AI as part of this particular task we do or this particular project we do. Maybe you're organising a big event, an anniversary event, for example. Maybe you can try out some ways, and you can encourage your staff to find some ways as well to use AI to lighten the load from your team. So creating those safe spaces for experimentation. The third thing that you can do is to connect AI to what your staff really care about. Now, in every organisation, there are going to be staff who are really nervous about AI. They might be wondering what's going to happen to their job. They might wonder if their job will change. So the more that you can show them that AI could help them spend more time doing the things that they really enjoy doing, the more likely they are to engage with the changes that you want to see. So, for example, if you were working with a fundraiser who's absolutely brilliant at going out and meeting donors face to face, or having meetings with local small businesses who have ended up donating to what you do, you want to encourage them to use AI to free up their time so they can do more of that good stuff, because they're clearly really brilliant at it. So taking quite a personalised approach, talking to staff about how AI can help free up that time so they can spend more time doing the work they're really brilliant at and the work that they love, will help them see that it's going to support them in what they do, and that you're also supportive of that as well. And then the fourth thing that you want to do is to reinforce the change. Now, this is something I have seen work in organisations of all sizes time and again. You've already set the ball rolling as a leader by sending out that signal saying we're going to learn about this together, and I don't have all the answers, but we're going to try and figure them out together. What you want to be doing along the way in order to build the confidence of your team is to keep celebrating those small wins. So really acknowledging where staff have tried different things, where they might be using AI in a particularly useful way that's increasing your impact, even if it's a really small thing where they're just saving a bit of time, or they've come up with a new idea, or they're doing things differently in a way that helps them and helps your organisation, make sure that you're really shining a light on that and really celebrating those wins. And that's the kind of thing that will keep reinforcing the change and build the confidence of your team. If you've enjoyed this video, please do look out for the other videos in this series, and please do sign up for more AI resources and more AI support for leaders by following the link at the end of this video.